It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with a very special succulent tip of the day. Many of you know that I'm always talking about the succulent baby. This is the OG. This is Griffin. He is the oldest of our grandchildren. Griffin is 2 years old, and I thought today on Friday, which is Greg and I's day to take care of him and his adorable sister Quinn, that I would have him make a succulent arrangement. Now, Griffin has never made a succulent arrangement before, so your guess is as good as mine as to how this is going to go. But let's see. Okay. All right, Griffin. We are going to plant this bowling shoe, okay? Okay. So first, we need to put this moss into the shoe. Can you put that moss into the shoe for me? Put it all in there? Oh, good job. We want the moss to be dry, don't we? We don't want the moss to be wet. Dry moss, because we don't want our succulent cuttings to rot, do we? Now, let's go ahead and take our plants and put them in the shoe. You are going to decide which plants you would like to put in the shoe first, okay? Grandy has her suggestions, but I want to see what Griffin can do. So which plant would you like to put in the shoe? Can you show Grandy? Which one? Yeah, go ahead and grab it. Oh my gosh, you're a genius. That's right. That's the one I was going to pick because we always start with our thrillers, don't we? Can you get that plant and hand it to Grandy? Oh, and you like that one too? Can you say aeonium?
Aeonium.
Yes, this is an aeonium. Can you choose another plant? Okay. Oh, nice one. Can you say sedivaria? Yeah.
This.
Yeah. You want this part, this long stem, to go in first. So you put it in this way. Can you push it down? Which one's next? That one.
Put it with it.
Right, put it right there.
No, shoe.
Yeah, put it in the shoe. Can you say sedum?
Here.
Sedum, that's right. Okay, which one next?
Oh, pretty.
Is that so pretty? That's an aloe. Can you say aloe?
Ayo.
Yeah, is that going in right there?
No.
Yeah. Good job. Nice, right? Okay, which one's next? Nice choice. Can you say rubrotinctum? Okay, where's that gonna go? Excellent choice.
That's a toy.
Excellent choice. Which one's next? The Crassula argentea sunset. How are you going to fit that in there, Griffin? Where's that going to go? Does it smell? I don't smell anything. Right there? Oh, good one.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you want to try again, or do you want some help?
Help.
Help? Okay. Right there. Is that where you want it? Excellent. Okay, which one's next?
And I'm gonna fill it that hole.
You want to fill up that hole? This child is a
Like
genius.
that.
Okay, made a mess. But which plant do you want to put in there?
The pigeon.
Oh, okay. And put that down and choose another plant? Which one? Nice choice. Can you say crassula? Crassula. And where do you want that one to go? You get it? Good job, Griffin. That's so pretty.
Purple.
Yeah, Papa's taking the video, isn't he? Okay, do you want to put another plant in, or do you have enough plants? You want more, or is that enough?
Not that.
Not that. That's too big, huh? That's pretty. What color is that? What color is that?
Orange.
Yes, that's orange. I think orange is a brilliant choice. Where do you see that it needs to go on the shoe? What about right here? Can it go in there? You see here? And put the stem. Oh my gosh, you are a genius. Like that. Do you know what, Griffin? If the plant's too big, you can pull off some of these bottom leaves and just kind of pitch them aside like this. See there? And now you've got more stem to work with. Do you want to try it again now? How's that look?
Good.
Does it look good? Are you happy with your arrangement, or do you want to add more plants?
More plants.
More plants? Oh dear. Okay, which one now?
Too big.
Too big. Okay, so the Crassula Crosbys can go over there. It's too big.
Yeah.
How about the, you want that sedum? Is that a sedum? Yeah, where do you want that one to go?
A shoe.
On the shoe. Whereabouts? Oh, very good. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, Griffin, that's a perfect place.
For that hole.
Yeah, I like that there very much. Are there any more plants that you'd like to put in your shoe? Okay, which one now?
Too big.
Yeah, that one's too big. You want that little Crassula? Can you find a home for it in there? What do you think? Where should it go? You see a spot? Maybe right there? Yeah, brilliant. See, this is the stem, right? This is the part that we put in. So you want to put that in? Got it? Okay. I don't know, Griffbo. I think that your shoe looks pretty compact. What do you think? Are we all finished?
For that hole.
Yeah. Do you like your arrangement? Is it very pretty? Are you happy with it? You really want to try to work that in?
For that hole.
Where do you think?
For that.
You want to put it in that hole? I think it might be too big to put in that hole. But you know what? Maybe if you took one of the leaves off, right? You know what to do. Will that fit in the hole? Will that leaf fit in the hole?
No.
No, that's not going to work for you? Okay. Okay.
Papa picture of a picture.
Yeah, Papa's taking our picture. Are you going to do some propagating with those leaves? Is that the idea? Oh, I see. Okay. But we're all done with our arrangement, right?
No.
We're not done. Okay.
For that hole.
You want that one to go in here, right here? How's that?
For that hole.
Does that work? I'm going to cover that hole up. How about that? Is that good? I don't know, Griffin. It looks a little unbalanced, like we might need something right here. What do you think? Can we take a piece of this? How about that? We don't need to use the whole giant thing, do we? We can just take a piece. Do you want to put it right here? And give it a try? What are you thinking? I was thinking maybe right here. There's a hole. Yeah. Give it a shove. Okay. Well, how about that? This adorable arrangement brought to you by Griffin, age 2. So if you're looking for an idea of something to do with your little toddlers or your kids, How about some succulent arrangements, friends? Griffin, that is an absolutely beautiful arrangement. High five. Yeah. Can you say succulent tip of the day?
For the day.
Yeah. Bye, guys.